It's been a minute since I recorded. Working on the quad today. My hand's still broken. Because the truck is decent enough, it just has to get sold. This needs a new color. I'm like, what else am I gonna do? So I brought this thing up. I just swapped the clutch. I probably should have recorded that, but the clutch is there. Just tested it out. Everything is good, but this sat for so long. In fact, I could show you. Look at that. Yeah. You see it, it's nasty in there. It took me forever to get it. So we took the side covers off, and I gotta remove the gas tank. I mean, we're gonna see what happens. I have no clue what I'm doing. I've never worked on these before, so I guess we just hope for the best. Alright, got the fuel tank off. That was actually a lot easier than I thought it was. This whole thing needs to be cleaned. Man, this thing sat for months. Years, actually. Now I don't know what to do. I'm about to go back to my YouTube video. Alright, so I got out the carb, but the issue is these bolts. These bolts are about to strip. So I don't know what to do. All of them are about to strip. These four, those. So I'm gonna clean it without taking that out and then see what happens. Also, I got the fuel tank out, so if I get something clean, running fresh gas through here should help. Alright, so it's been a few days. I got a new tool. Now, I could have bought the wrong size, but this is supposed to be a JIS screwdriver, and it's still stripping out the thing. Now, it could be I bought the wrong size, or I'm using one hand, so it's stripping it out. But, oh well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean out this gas tank. I'm gonna pour out the fluid, blow it out, put 93 in it, some fresh 93, and hope that works. Now we gotta put this back together. And if that doesn't work and it still isn't moving the way it's supposed to, then we just know it'll need a new carb. Alright, after spending way too long, I got the gas tank back on. I mean, I drained it to the best I could, and you can see that color and the little bitties in there. Nah, that thing's nasty. I'm gonna just put some gas in here. So I couldn't get the quad started. I never cleaned the carb because the bolts were stripping, so I just got new bolts. Now I'm going to take this thing back apart and fully pull the carb out and fully clean it. But before I do that, I'm gonna clean the garage because it's a mess. Quad's inside. Garage is kind of clean. Let me get this carburetor back off now. Alright, it didn't take too long, but I got the carb out and disconnected this time fully. I want to delete all of this. I don't want this cable up here no more. I want to delete this park and brake thing. I want to get a new clutch cable because I'm pretty sure this is bent. I got to get carb cleaner, and I got to figure out how to get these bolts off the bottom. And then I got to fully clean this carb. I paused the tunes to celebrate! Woohoo! Yo, I did it! It took me a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of tippity tap tap, but I got it off. I don't know, those aren't supposed to look like that. I don't know. Look a little gunky up in there. So maybe, who knows? But let's go get some carb cleaner. Oh, for fun, I'm gonna go take this and I'm gonna put a camera on my forehead when I drive this. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. so far, but you right here. 695 with the eyes sitting, you crying. On the way back home, somewhere on the way back home. Before the car overheat, let's oh yeah, before this thing overheats me. Go up! Hurry up! Ah! Alright, inside I go. They didn't have the bolt I needed, so we're going to Wawa to get a bev. Back again with another day. I got some more parts on the way to finish this delete going on up here. I gotta go to Lowe's, grab 3 more bolts to put this cover back on, and then we could start assembling it. I got new levers, new starter, and a new choke. Oh, that's what it was. I got a parking brake delete, so I'm gonna have to take this off. So I got more bolts from pack of 2s. I only needed 3, so I grabbed 2 packs, whatever. Now I can put the cover back on the car, and then once these parts get here in like 2 days, I'll make another video finishing that up. But as of now, I'm gonna put that back together and then try to clean the gas tank. Alright, so put the tank on, ran everything, connected it off, put it on a jumper box just to make sure it's running. It's running now. What you tuning?
I'm trying to give it gas. It hasn't ran in mad long.
I had it running for a little bit, but I did drain everything. Wow, I pick up the camera and it don't run no more.
There's no choke?
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's see if that works. Alright, whatever. It works.